Alright, back with another episode of always doing something. About to weld for my first time in like, I don't know, 30 years. Did it when I was a freshman in high school with a stick welder, but bought myself a little Harbor Freight MIG welder. And here we go. I'm gonna try for the first time and you guys are gonna watch. So, I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's give it a shot. Oh, take off them glasses. Like I said, I haven't done this in a really long time, so I don't even really know what I'm doing. Oh, we gotta turn it on though. See, I told you I was a rookie. Well, all right, first time for everything. Well, gotta turn this wire down. It's way too high. Oh man, that looks like shit. Well, I mean, it'll hold. Definitely ain't the best looking. Where'd my hammer go? Well, you can see, it ain't the best job, but give me a week or a couple more days and I should have this down. All right, well, thanks for watching my first weld ever, and I'll see you on the go around.